best MacBook laptops to buy in 2024. Are you ready to dive into the world of top-notch MacBook laptops? Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or a tech enthusiast, finding the perfect MacBook can be a game changer. Apple's lineup continues to evolve with cutting-edge technology and sleek designs, making it an exciting time to explore your options. Today, we're counting down the top 6 MacBook laptops that stand out in 2024. From powerhouse processors to stunning displays, each MacBook on our list offers something unique. Let's jump right in and discover the best of the best. Number 6. 13-inch MacBook Air with M2 chip. Kicking off our countdown is the 13-inch MacBook Air featuring the impressive M2 chip. This lightweight yet powerful laptop is perfect for users who prioritize portability without compromising performance. The M2 chip delivers lightning-fast speed, smooth multitasking, and energy efficiency, ensuring you can breeze through your daily tasks with ease. Whether you're editing photos, streaming content, or tackling work projects on the go, the 13-inch MacBook Air has you covered. With its sleek aluminum unibody design and vibrant Retina display, the 13-inch MacBook Air offers a premium computing experience that's both stylish and functional. The Magic Keyboard provides a comfortable typing experience, while the spacious trackpad offers precise cursor control for effortless navigation. Whether you're crunching numbers in a spreadsheet, composing emails, or browsing the web, the MacBook Air's responsive keyboard and trackpad make every interaction feel natural and intuitive. In addition to its impressive performance, the 13-inch MacBook Air boasts all-day battery life, allowing you to stay productive from morning until night without needing to recharge. Whether you're working from home, studying at a coffee shop, or traveling on a plane, the MacBook Air's long-lasting battery ensures you can stay connected and productive wherever life takes you. Overall, the 13-inch MacBook Air with the M2 chip combines power, portability, and endurance to deliver a truly exceptional computing experience. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a casual user, this versatile laptop is sure to exceed your expectations and elevate your productivity to new heights. Experience the future of portable computing with the 13-inch MacBook Air and discover why it's the perfect choice for users who demand performance without compromise. Number 5. Space Black 14-inch MacBook Pro with M3 chip. Next up, we have the sleek and stylish Space Black 14-inch MacBook Pro equipped with the mighty M3 chip. This powerhouse laptop is engineered for professionals and power users who demand uncompromising performance. With its stunning Retina display, immersive audio, and advanced thermal architecture, the 14-inch MacBook Pro redefines productivity and creativity. Say goodbye to slowdowns and hello to seamless computing with the Space Black MacBook Pro. The Space Black finish adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to the MacBook Pro, making it a standout choice for users who appreciate premium design aesthetics. Whether you're editing high-resolution photos, composing music tracks, or rendering 3D animations, the 14-inch MacBook Pro delivers unparalleled performance and reliability to fuel your creativity and drive your productivity. In addition to its powerful internals, the 14-inch MacBook Pro offers a host of innovative features designed to enhance your workflow and elevate your user experience. The touch bar provides intuitive access to commonly used functions and shortcuts, allowing you to streamline your tasks and work more efficiently. The Thunderbolt 4 ports enable lightning-fast data transfer and connectivity to a wide range of peripherals and accessories, ensuring you have everything you need to tackle your most demanding projects with ease. Whether you're a graphic designer, a video editor, or a software developer, the Space Black 14-inch MacBook Pro is the ultimate tool for bringing your ideas to life and achieving your goals. Experience the pinnacle of performance and design with the Space Black MacBook Pro and discover why it's the preferred choice for professionals and creatives around the world. Number 4. 16-inch MacBook Pro with M3 Max chip. Stepping into the spotlight is the 16-inch MacBook Pro featuring the formidable M3 Max chip. Designed for the most demanding tasks, this flagship MacBook offers unparalleled performance and productivity. Whether you're editing 4K video, compiling code, or running virtual machines, the 16-inch MacBook Pro rises to the occasion with its raw computing power and innovative features. Get ready to unleash your creativity and tackle intensive workloads like never before with the 16-inch MacBook Pro. With its expansive Retina display and immersive sound system, the 16-inch MacBook Pro delivers an immersive multimedia experience that's perfect for content creators, gamers, and multimedia professionals. The stunning resolution and wide color gamut ensure that every detail pops with breathtaking clarity and vibrancy, while the immersive audio system provides rich, dynamic sound that brings your movies, music, and games to life. In addition to its impressive performance and multimedia capabilities, the 16-inch MacBook Pro offers a range of productivity-enhancing features designed to streamline your workflow and boost your efficiency. The redesigned Magic Keyboard provides a comfortable typing experience, while the spacious trackpad offers precise cursor control for smooth, intuitive navigation. With its advanced thermal management system and long-lasting battery life, the 16-inch MacBook Pro is built to handle whatever challenges come your way, ensuring you can stay productive and focused from morning until night. Whether you're a professional photographer, a software developer, or a creative professional, the 16-inch MacBook Pro is the ultimate tool for unlocking your full potential and achieving your goals. Experience the power and performance of the 16-inch MacBook Pro and discover why it's the preferred choice for professionals who demand the best. Number 3. 13-inch MacBook Air with M1 chip. Coming in at number 3 is the 13-inch MacBook Air powered by the revolutionary M1 chip. With its fanless design, silent operation, and all-day battery life, the MacBook Air redefines the standard for ultra-portable laptops. Whether you're a student attending classes, a frequent traveler, or a casual user, the 13-inch MacBook Air delivers a seamless computing experience that keeps up with your lifestyle. Say hello to instant wake times, snappy performance, and unparalleled efficiency with the M1-powered MacBook Air. The M1 chip's integration of CPU, GPU, and other components onto a single chip not only enhances performance but also improves power efficiency, leading to extended battery life. This means you can tackle your tasks throughout the day without worrying about searching for power outlets. The MacBook Air's M1 chip offers a significant boost in performance over its predecessors, enabling smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and seamless transitions between applications. Whether you're writing essays, editing videos, or browsing the web, the MacBook Air delivers exceptional performance and responsiveness that adapts to your needs. Number 2. 14-inch MacBook Pro with M2 Pro chip. In the runner-up position, we have the 14-inch MacBook Pro featuring the cutting-edge M2 Pro chip. Engineered for professionals and creatives, this MacBook combines power and versatility in a sleek and portable package. With its stunning Liquid Retina XDR display, advanced graphics, and studio-quality mics and speakers, the 14-inch MacBook Pro empowers you to bring your ideas to life with uncompromising precision and clarity. Elevate your workflow and unleash your creativity with the 14-inch MacBook Pro. The 14-inch MacBook Pro's Liquid Retina XDR display sets a new standard for visual excellence with its vibrant colors, deep blacks, and unparalleled brightness. Whether you're editing high-resolution photos, designing intricate 3D models, or watching HDR content, the MacBook Pro's display delivers an immersive viewing experience that captivates your senses and inspires your creativity. In addition to its stunning display, the 14-inch MacBook Pro boasts powerful performance thanks to the M2 Pro chip. With its advanced architecture and efficient design, the M2 Pro chip delivers lightning-fast speeds and smooth multitasking, allowing you to tackle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're editing 8K video, compiling code, or designing complex simulations, the MacBook Pro's performance never skips a beat, ensuring you can stay focused and productive from start to finish. Furthermore, the 14-inch MacBook Pro is equipped with studio-quality mics and speakers, providing crystal-clear audio for video calls, recordings, and multimedia playback. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, hosting virtual meetings, or enjoying your favorite music and movies, the MacBook Pro delivers an immersive audio experience that enhances every interaction. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and innovative features, the 14-inch MacBook Pro is the ultimate tool for professionals and creatives who demand the best. Whether you're a graphic designer, a video editor, or a music producer, the MacBook Pro empowers you to push the boundaries of creativity and achieve your boldest aspirations. Experience the power of the 14-inch MacBook Pro and unlock new possibilities in your professional and creative endeavors. Number 1. 15-inch MacBook Air with M2 chip. Drum roll please. Topping our list is the 15-inch MacBook Air, boasting the blazing fast M2 chip. This powerhouse laptop redefines what's possible with ultra-portable computing, offering unparalleled performance, graphics, and battery life. Whether you're editing 8K video, designing immersive VR experiences, or pushing the limits of computational photography, the 15-inch MacBook Air rises to the challenge with its groundbreaking technology and sleek design. Say goodbye to compromises and hello to a new era of productivity and creativity with the 15-inch MacBook Air. The 15-inch MacBook Air's M2 chip represents a significant leap forward in performance and efficiency, allowing you to tackle even the most demanding tasks with ease. With its advanced architecture and optimized power consumption, the M2 chip delivers lightning-fast speeds and smooth multitasking, ensuring you can work, create, and play without limitations. In addition to its impressive performance, the 15-inch MacBook Air features a stunning Retina display that brings your content to life with vibrant colors and sharp detail. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or browsing the web, the MacBook Air's immersive display provides an unparalleled viewing experience that captivates your senses and sparks your imagination. Furthermore, the 15-inch MacBook Air boasts all-day battery life, allowing you to stay productive and connected wherever your day takes you. Whether you're traveling for work, attending meetings, or exploring new creative projects, the MacBook Air's long-lasting battery ensures you can stay focused and productive from morning until night. With its powerful performance, stunning display, and all-day battery life, the 15-inch MacBook Air is the ultimate companion for users who demand performance, portability, and versatility in a single package. Experience the future of ultra-portable computing with the 15-inch MacBook Air and discover why it's the preferred choice for professionals, creatives, and enthusiasts around the world. And there you have it, folks. Our countdown of the top 6 best MacBook laptops to buy in 2024 has come to an end. Whether you're a professional, a student, or a casual user, there's a MacBook on this list that's perfect for you. From sleek designs to powerhouse performance, these laptops represent the pinnacle of Apple's innovation and craftsmanship. Which MacBook will you choose to take your computing experience to the next level? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy computing.